Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So today I'm looking at a KZ Durango Gold, and this unit apparently it had been dropped on the truck, from what I'm told, like 3 times, and I'm not sure exactly why. If it somehow something in the B&W hitch failed, or if something in the flex air, didn't connect correctly. But the customer actually came in. We did all the body work to it. Terry's still got to come over here and color sand and polish and buff out that area. But he took the whole front cap off. He filled in all the fiberglass damage, painted the white, painted that color. It was kind of tricky because he had to get the color done like 4 times to make it match. Painted this side of it where it impacted on both sides from it hitting. And then while the owner was here, he said, hey, I'm really tired of connecting with this hitch. And people don't realize, there's shocks that go bad on that. There's airbags that you got to mess with that can go bad. There's things that need to be lubed on it. You have plates and all kinds of weird stuff that, there's just different maintenance on any hitch that's out there. So he said, hey, I'd love to have my space back in my truck and have a better turning radius. So I said, well, have you ever heard of a thing called Gen Y hitch? And so we just installed this Gen Y hitch, and he actually has a short bed. So he's got we had him get an offset. And so if you've never thought about this, there's actually, Gen Y doesn't have a package where they're like, hey, here's everything you need, right? It's all kind of sold a la carte. So the bolts are sold a la carte. The chains, the safety chains that we ordered were sold a la carte. The pin box is sold separately. The offsets sold separately. The safety chain connections in it are sold separately. The lifetime extended warranty on it sold separately. So anyways, these hitches, they tell us that it take about 1,000 miles for them to break in, because of this actuating system. It's basically like a torque flex axle, so these will actuate up and down. This is going to supremely, remove, as time goes, the dampening, which is going to protect the frame, the upper deck, anything in it. It's going to make the ride a lot better in the truck too. Now he's going to gain back all the space in his pickup truck bed, just by using the gooseneck attachment. So if they also make this design in an actual 5th wheel end on it, like a standard, so you can go either way. So if you have a puck system in your truck, you can go ahead and put something like this on, or you can go ahead and do that one as well. So all right, well, hey, stay tuned for more, and we will talk soon. Looks like some of the guys are rolling in for work this morning, and we will see you on the other side. Go travel and enjoy your life, and go out and make some memories, and we'll see you when we see you. Thanks so much again. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.